Today's problem is largest number in one swap. Difficulty is easy. Given a string S, return the lexicographically largest string that can be obtained by swapping at most one pair of characters in S. Here's an example, 7, 6, 8. Now, you can swap the 8 and the 7 and get 8, 6, 7. Well, that makes sense. I mean, you want to swap the largest digit you can. How do I want to say this? I mean, what we want to do, what we want to do is we want to traverse the string. We're going to go from right to left, and we're going to keep track of the largest digit that we can find and the index of the largest digit that we can find. If, as we're doing this traversal, we find a digit that's smaller than the largest digit that we have found, then we mark it as a candidate for swapping, okay? But we keep going. I mean, we traverse the whole array, and that ensures that we're going to pick the leftmost smallest digit, which is going to be the best possible swap. We want the max digit to be as far left as possible. Now, it's also possible that we can't find a pair of digits like that. That would be the case in example 2 here, where it's 3, 3, 3. In which case, we can just return, as I understand it, just return the original. Now, I mean, even if you swap something here, it's the same. But if you had something with like all descending letters or digits, for example, 3, 2, 1, there's nothing you can swap there to improve it. And so I don't think we're required to do a swap like, well, swap the 2 and the 1. It does say at most one swap, at most one swap. So if we can't find anything to swap, I'd say let's just return what we have. So we want to, as we're doing the traversal, to find the max digit. When we find a max digit, if we find another digit that is the same as the max digit, we don't want that digit. We want the rightmost largest digit, and we want the leftmost smallest digit. Why do we want that? Well, let me get a pen. Let me get a pen here. All right, pen. Is it white? Yes. Oh no, I need a black pen. Sorry. I mean, let's say we had a number here like 7, 8, 8. Now we're traversing from right to left, so first number we get to 8, this 8. We say, all right, that's the max digit so far, and then we find another 8. Should we replace that as the max digit? No. The reason being, if we swapped this 8 with the 7, we would get 7, 8, I'm sorry, we would get 8, 8, 7. Now, if we swap this with the 7, we would get 8, 7, 8. Now, the first one is better. So we want the rightmost max digit and the leftmost digit that's smaller than the max digit. Okay. So let's look at the algorithm here. We're going to convert the input string into a char array. We're going to set max digit to the smallest thing that we have, which is 0. We're going to indicate, basically we're indicating that we haven't found anything here for max index left, or right. We're going to start with the rightmost digit and move to the left. Now, if the digit that we're looking at is greater than the max digit, then we'll set max digit to the current digit, and we'll set max index to the current index. Okay? If the digit that we're looking at is not the max digit, then what we'll look at is it smaller than the max digit? And if it is smaller than the max digit, then we will save current index as the leftmost index and max index as the rightmost index. Now this may change as we go through it, but at each digit, what we're looking for is, do we have a new max digit, or do we have a new digit smaller than the max digit? Again, we're looking for the rightmost max digit and the leftmost digit smaller than the max digit. All right. So once we've iterated through this whole thing, we should have our final candidates, L and R. That's where we're going to do the swap. Now, if L equals -1, that means we didn't find anything. There is no swap. We can't improve the current number. And so we'll just return S. If we did find characters to swap or digits to swap, then we'll swap them. That's what's happening here. And then return the char array as a string. Let's do a sanity check on this. Compilation error, digits. Can't find symbol. Oh, ARR. No, it's not called ARR. It's called digits. Okay. All right, that worked. And submit. It's a lot of test cases. Okay, good. So yeah, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.